Hey guys, now I know I haven't posted in a while, but this video is a bit different. Today I'll be discussing how we got here, and by that I mean how we got onto the main hub island in Elements Divided. Now, Elements Divided is usually a multiplayer fighting game where you fight with elements, not really much lore to be discovered, but I have 3 key pieces of evidence that this is actually set in a post-apocalyptic world. Let's get into it now. My first key piece of evidence is the animals. See? Now, why would there be so many different animals on this single island? Some of them aren't supposed to be in this habitat, clearly. You have a lot of fish, you have a lot of land animals, tree animals, even polar animals. Now, why would there be so many different types of animals on this island if they could go somewhere else? But here's the thing. What if they can't go anywhere else because this is the only place left? Now, for my second piece of evidence, if you look behind me, you'll see that this whole hub island here is floating on a ginormous thruster. Now, this obviously means that we're up in the sky with the clouds and everything. Now, why would we be in the sky unless there was no ground to go back to? My final theory on what could have possibly happened to make us stay in the sky and keep all of these different animals safe is actually what happened. So, my theory is there was a nuclear explosion, and so now everybody is in the sky because the ground is too dangerous. Now, my reasoning for this is the metal bending sub-element. Because you see, when you grab the metal, you seem to grab a lot of tiny metal shards out of thin air. Now, when a nuclear bomb goes off, there's a lot of metal in the air from the explosion. So, that must be why you can grab metal out of the air. Now, those are the 3 core pieces of evidence that I found that suggest this game takes place in a post-apocalyptic world, but feel free to let me know your theories.